Hi, I'm Katy Moncivais. I have a doctorate degree in biomedical engineering, and I've worked in the regenerative medicine and medical device industries for over a decade now. I'd like to welcome you to this video series, Regenerative Medicine Moments, in which I answer the most common questions about the realities of regenerative medicine in the United States today. The principles of regenerative medicine have been around for about 50 years or so, but they haven't really been mainstream until the last couple of decades. So the question is, how do doctors and researchers evaluate the safety of any new medical technology? First, they make sure that every device used in a regenerative medicine procedure is FDA compliant. Every single device used in a regenerative medicine procedure in this facility is FDA regulated and compliant. In fact, the device used for bone marrow has more safety features than almost any other device in its class. Doctors also consider the biological and medical benefits and risks of new procedures. The procedures done at this facility are autologous, which means they use only a patient's own blood or bone marrow. With autologous procedures, doctors are simply moving around something that was already in your body. They're just putting it somewhere it can be more useful. Unlike synthetic or laboratory-made products, autologous materials do not expose patients to infectious material from a donor or laboratory environment. In this way, autologous products, or those using only a patient's own blood or bone marrow, minimize the risk of exposure to infectious material from external sources. Beyond the devices and materials used in a procedure, doctors also look at the history of the procedure as a whole in medical literature. This facility provides platelet-rich plasma, or PRP, and bone marrow concentrate therapies. Both PRP and bone marrow concentrate have been established as safe through hundreds of medical publications covering thousands upon thousands of patients in the medical literature. Platelet-rich plasma has been used in bone grafting procedures since the 1990s. It has also been used in orthopedic procedures for the last couple of decades. A few recent publications have had the following to say about the safety of PRP. PRP has no evident additional risk and can be widely used as a conservative treatment for knee osteoarthritis. In the arthroscopic repair of full-thickness rotator cuff injury, the injection of PRP is a safe and effective adjuvant treatment that can significantly improve early outcomes. Bone marrow concentrate has an even longer history of safety in orthopedic treatments. Here's what a few recent publications had to say about that. Implantation of bone marrow cells in rotator cuff sutures appears to be a safe and promising alternative to other biological approaches currently used to enhance tissue quality in affected tendons. Our study has shown that injection of MSCs in different osteoarthritis-affected joints is safe and therapeutically beneficial. I could keep listing these quotes for hours because there are so many studies that have found the use of bone marrow concentrate in orthopedic procedures to be safe. But I'll stop there because I think you get the idea. Well, we can't say that any medical procedure is 100% safe 100% of the time, just like we can't say that getting in a car is always safe or even playing baseball is always safe. There's some level of risk in every medical procedure, just like there are in our daily activities. But what we do know is that doctors and researchers have evaluated the benefits and risks of platelet-rich plasma and bone marrow concentrate procedures for 20 to 30 years now, and they've found that the benefits justify the risks enough that they classify these procedures as safe in their medical publications. Though there are other up-and-coming regenerative medicine technologies, none have been as thoroughly vetted as platelet-rich plasma and bone marrow concentrate. These newer regenerative medicine technologies have a very sparse publication record. For that reason, their safety is considered to be still under investigation.